In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Gemini AI extension on Chrome. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right into it. Adding extensions to your Chrome browser can significantly enhance your browsing experience, and the Gemini AI extension is no exception. This extension allows you to enhance your productivity by utilizing advanced AI capabilities right from your browser. So, let's get started. First, the first step is to simply open your Chrome browser. Once you have Chrome open, you're ready for the next step. You can do this on any device that supports Chrome, whether it's your laptop, desktop, or even a tablet. Just make sure you have an active internet connection. Now, the next step to find and activate the Gemini AI extension is to look at the top right corner of your Chrome window. You should notice a feature called Ask Gemini, integrated directly into the browser. This is where the magic begins. Just take a look at your toolbar, and you should see it sitting pretty, waiting for you to engage. Next, click on the Ask Gemini button. This will take you to the extension's interface, where you can explore all its functions and features. Clicking this button opens up the world of AI assistance that Gemini offers, so make sure to take a moment to understand its layout. Upon your first interaction, it's possible that you might be asked to accept some terms and conditions. This is a normal part of using any new software or extension, and accepting these is crucial for you to proceed. Always read through them to understand your rights and the software's capabilities before moving forward. This will ensure you have a better experience while using the extension later on. Now, if you don't already have a Gemini account set up, you may need to sign up for one. The process is usually straightforward. Just follow the prompts provided in the interface to create your account. It may require you to input some basic information, like your name, email address, and password. This account will allow you to save your preferences and access your history with Gemini, making it a vital step in optimizing your use of the extension. Once you've signed up and accepted all necessary terms, you're almost there. The final step is to start chatting with Gemini. Yes, you heard that right. With everything set up, you can begin engaging with the AI. Whether you want to ask questions, get assistance with your tasks, or just explore, the Gemini AI is there to help you with whatever you need. And there you have it. You've successfully added the Gemini AI extension to your Chrome browser and are ready to utilize its features. Remember, the more you interact with Gemini, the more proficient it becomes in understanding your queries and preferences. So don't hesitate to utilize it to its fullest potential in your everyday tasks. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide helped you in adding the Gemini AI extension seamlessly. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of these steps, feel free to drop them in the comments below. And as always, if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Happy browsing and enjoy your new AI-powered experience.